What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So here we are. Next few things are going to be, I got some 3/8 steel rod to extend my tie rods. I believe they are a little bit short. Then I'm going to cut these to fit in the middle to support the body. Put some spacers here to bring it up. What else? Gotta make an exhaust, and that's it. Alright guys, welcome back. So, before we actually get started on the next part, I'm going to go over what I've already done because I did a lot of time lapses, didn't explain any of it. So, what we got the rear braces mounted, which you can see right there. This is the one that I'm actually really disappointed I didn't get it on there, because like that exhaust is like actually done really well. So it fits right under the body. Got some heat wrap for this, enough room for my foot. Look at the back. Started working on plate for back here to mount the battery and the gas tank. Might trim it up some just to lighten some weight or whatever. I got that going. Got the other brace done. Oh yeah, I got my tie rods in. I ordered some, ended up not welding it. That didn't work out. So just gotta tighten those up. Let's see what else. Motor mounted jack strap done. Deck braces done. Rear plate to mount. To get my wiring in for the battery, to wire the battery. Got the spark plug boot to do the low profile here. Probably gonna have to cut out a little bit right here on the body. The exhaust, I just ordered a you make it yourself exhaust kit and did it that way. Reusing the RLV muffler off of my Coleman, and yeah, I think that's about it. So let's go ahead and let's get a decent picture going. There we go. So yeah, that's it for this episode 8. Next episode should be getting a lot of stuff done on 9, and then hopefully 10, finishing up maybe even 11. So, alright. I'm going to go back to doing a lot more cuts. So, as I'm working on something, the plate, the exhaust, whatever, I'll explain it, go over the cut, and then I'll actually shoot the time lapse. Oh, and I'll be switching back to 4K because I did some other videos. I really enjoyed 4K. It just looks so much cleaner. Just the time to compress it and all that sucks. So, alright guys, we gotta get this thing done in the next couple of weeks. So, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.